Hello everyone, so let us review right here the DID AI avatar. So this one right here, this platform is a powerful video presenter tool that uses AI to turn text into realistic avatars. So as of 2025, it is one of the most advanced tools for creating human-like video narrations, great for explainer videos, training content, and marketing. So the avatar looks impressively real as you can see right here. Also, the lip syncing is actually smooth, especially with high quality voiceovers. You can upload your own image or choose from preset avatars, and it supports over 100 languages. However, it is not perfect. The free version has limited features, with watermarking, and the emotional expression still feels a bit robotic compared to human presenters. Overall, DID is one of the best presenter tools right now, especially if you need fast multilingual videos with a human touch.